Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create a virtual machine using VMware Workstation 10. You can download VMware Workstation from vmware.com and just search for VMware Workstation. Now the version 11 is available, but currently I'm using version 10. Now VMware Workstation is used by software developers. Uh, they rely on Workstation integration with Visual Studio, Eclipse, and other tool suites to streamline the development and debugging of their applications in multiple operating systems and development environment. Also, it's used by quality assurance, IT professionals, technical sales professionals, then teachers and trainers. Uh, so there are various reasons you can use VMware Workstation for. So to create a virtual machine on VMware Workstation, you can just go to File, uh, click on New Virtual Machine. Now here you get typical and custom options. If you select typical, you get very few options to select. You can just create a virtual machine very fast. But if you go with the custom option, there are more options to select from. For example, hardware compatibility mode. There I'm going to select Workstation 10 and click Next. Here, if we have the media CD with the uh, serial numbers and everything, you can insert the CD and go ahead with this with installing the virtual machine from the uh, physical media. Or if you have any ISO image, you can attach this ISO image to this option. Here you can browse the ISO image. Now if you don't want to create if you don't want to attach any ISO image or put any CD, you can select the third option. I will install the operating system later. That's the option I'm going to select. So click Next. And today I'm going to install Microsoft Windows Server 2012. So if you want to install Linux, you can select Linux and you can select the operating system version you want to install. So mine is Windows Server 2012 and click Next. Now here you can give the virtual machine name DC2, that's my virtual machine name, and this is the location where you save your virtual machine files, and click Next. I'm going to give one processor and 2 cores to my virtual machine, and also by default it is showing 2 gigs of RAM. I'm going to give 4 gigs of RAM. Networking, right now I'm using 3 more virtual machines with bridge networking, so I'm going to select that option because I can use this particular virtual machine along with these ones. So I'm going to go with bridge networking. Also you can test these 3 options, how they work, and you can also read more about these options from vmware.com. You can click Next. Excuse me. Here you can select LSI Logic SAS, SCSI. Now you get all these options just because you selected custom. If you have selected typical option, you just have to you can just create a virtual machine with couple of clicks. So just want you to see what are the additional options available. So that's why I just selected the custom option. So I'm going to click on Next, and here I can create a new virtual disk, which I'm going to do right now. Or you can attach an existing virtual disk. If you have any existing virtual disk, you can just go ahead with this option. Or you can dedicate one physical disk, one entire disk to this virtual machine by using this option. Now the installation is complete. Now you have to specify a password. Re-enter the password. I think I messed up. No, it's fine. Okay. Enter the password again. Now, once you install the guest operating system, the next thing to do is to install VMware tools. Now, this article, this I just copied and pasted from VMware.com. This you can just pause the video and go through this text, because this explains you what VMware tools used for. So I'm going to show you how to install VMware tools. Now this is my VM here. I'm just going to go right click on it and install VMware tools. I'll just get rid of this server manager. Now here it attaches the ISO image to CD drive. Just double click on it. So just click next, next, and install. Again, click on finish. Now as soon as you click finish, you have to restart the computer. Just click yes. Sorry, not the computer, your VM. So now it is restarting. So I hope you learned something today, and thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, you can always contact me from the comments page. Thank you very much.